We always say sharing is caring. Dang right, Mom. I'm making me a second YouTube video. Where the heck are you getting a banana from?
It's in there.
Oh. Don't mind me, I'm shaking the camera too much. Oh God, Zazu's on the loose. Here he goes! Oh God. Yeah, my mom put out the birds. And for some reason, my dad makes fun of my videos for some reason.
No. Savannah.
Carry it, boy! Louie! What the heck are you doing? Louie, say hi to the viewers. Louie! Oh yeah, he's too stupid to do that. What? And Fred, he talks a lot, except he doesn't talk in my stinking YouTube videos. Well, only once in one of my YouTube videos. And there's a stinking fan for no stinking reason. Stinking everything. My life stinks, everything stinks. What? It's not pointing at you. She's out. My mom's eating some chicken wings right now. She's being grouchy. She's a Karen. Oh God, she's chomping on it right behind my camera. She's out, Mom. Welcome to my house! Yeah! Okay, like, subscribe, bell for more notifications. I'll see you guys soon. Peace! Peace!